Chamundaye viche. Om
ॐ ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डायै विचे ॐ ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डायै विचे ॐ ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डायै विचे ॐ ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डायै विचे. Chant with love, chant loudly, bring devotion to the Mother Divine. Om Aim Hrim Klim Chamundaye Viche. Om Aim Hrim Klim Chamundaye Viche. Om Aim Hrim Klim Chamundaye Viche. Om Aim Hrim Klim Chamundaye जय माँ, जय जय माँ. Om Aim Hrim Klim. Chant from your heart, chant from your heart. Bring the energy from within your heart. Bring that energy from your heart. Daye Viche. Please open your videos, everyone open your videos and bring the energy. Chamundaye Viche. Om Aim Hrim Klim Chamundaye Viche. Please chant. Aim Klim Chamundaye Viche. Om Aim Hrim Klim Chamundaye Viche. Om Aim Hrim Klim Chamundaye Viche. Om Aim Hrim Klim Chamundaye. Ma, Jai Ma. Bring that love, the craziness, devotion and love to the Mother Divine. Om Aim Hrim Klim Chamundaye Viche. Om Aim Hrim Klim Chamundaye Viche. Om Aim Hrim Klim Chamundaye Viche. Om Hrim Klim Chamundaye Viche. Om Aim 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 Hrim Klim Chamundaye Viche. Hrim Klim Chamundaye Viche. Om Aim Hrim Klim Chamundaye Viche. Arms up. Hrim Klim Chamundaye Viche. Om Aim Hrim Klim Chamundaye Viche. Om Everyone shout, Ma, the mother. Dance in your own place. Dance the way you want to dance. Feel the mother. Let mother see your dance. Let mother see your chanting. Viche Om Aim Hrim Klim Chamundaye Viche Om Aim Hrim Klim Chamundaye Viche Hrim Klim. No shyness. You are doing for the Mother Divine. Chamundaye Viche Om Aim Hrim Klim 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 Chamundaye Viche. Jajama. Chant, chant, chant. We are here only to chant. We are not here for philosophy class. We are here to chant. Come on. Viche Om Aim Hrim Klim Chamundaye Viche Om Aim Hrim Klim Chamundaye Viche Hrim Klim Chamundaye Viche Om Aim 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 Hrim Klim. We are chanting 1008 times or more than that the mantra. So if you don't chant, sometimes you are losing. Chant each moment, every mantra, and feel the blessings of the Mother Divine with you. Mundaye. Don't miss one Vin mantra. Aim Hrim Klim Chamundaye Viche Chamundaye Viche Om Aim Hrim Klim Chamundaye Om Aim Hrim Klim Chamundaye Viche 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 Om Aim Hrim Klim Chamundaye Aim Hrim Klim Chamundaye Viche Om 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 Aim चामुण्डायै विच्चे ॐ ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं 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 चामुण्डायै विच्चे ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डायै विच्चे ॐ 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 जय जय माँ जय माँ। ॐ ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डायै विच्चे 3-4 minutes more, keep on. चामुण्डायै विच्चे ॐ ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डायै विच्चे. Every day you have to complete this amount of mantra. Continue, chant, chant and chant. ॐ ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डायै विच्चे 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 ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डायै विच्चे ॐ ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डायै विच्चे ॐ ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डायै विच्चे ॐ ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डायै विच्चे जय जय। ॐ ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डायै विच्चे 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 ॐ ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डायै विच्चे ॐ ऐं 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 ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डायै विच्चे विच्चे ॐ ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डायै विच्चे ॐ ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डायै विच्चे ॐ ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डायै विच्चे 2 minutes more, chant loudly, happily, lovingly. ॐ ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डायै विच्चे 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 ॐ नमः चण्डिकायै 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 ॐ सौम्या सौम्यतरा शेष सौम्येभ्यः सति सुन्दरी परापराणां परमां तमेव परमेश्वरी सौम्या सौम्यतरा शेष सौम्येभ्यः सति सुन्दरी परापराणां परमां तमेव परमेश्वरी सौम्या सौम्यतरा शेष सौम्येभ्यः सति सुन्दरी परापराणां परमां त्वमेव परमेश्वरी ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः दुर्गायै नमः ॐ कालिकादेव्यै नमः ॐ नमः दुर्गादेव्यै नमः ॐ शान्तिः 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 Sit comfortably, keeping your spine straight, neck straight. Gently close your eyes and let us meditate on Mother Durga, Mother Chandra Ghanta, the third day of this Navaratri, Mother Chandra Ghanta. Relax your whole being, whole body and whole mind. Release the tension of all the muscles of your body and just relax, relax and relax. Today's mother is sitting on the lion She is holding her son, and it shows that she is married. She is a form of married lady. Yesterday she was a form of unmarried single lady, and before she was a girl. So mother has a different stages of life. She cares, she is so caring, and to protect her children, she is always ready. She is feeding, she is caring. Mother always feed like Justina. Mother do not keep any of her child hungry, starting from the ant to the elephant. She prepare the food for everyone. There are some invisible animals. For them also the mother divine made food, made sleep, made everything, made comforts. She is very caring, very loving for her children. We all. Her third eye is open, and feel the open eyes. Feel this third eye in your forehead center. Visualize the third eye center. Visualize the eye in your forehead in a vertical way. The vertical eye in your forehead, which is open, and with that eye you are looking the whole universe. The reality is seen by the third eye. Feel the blessings of the mother. Focus your attention in the third eye center and feel the light vibrating in your third eye. Focus in the third eye. Feel the vibration of the light in your third eye center. Feel the vibration. Third eye is awakening. Third eye is opening. And breathe from your third eye. Inhale and exhale from your third eye center. Feel that there is a hole in your third eye, center of the third eye, and you are breathing from there. And I am touching my ring finger into your third eye center. Feel the touch of my finger. Feel the touch of my finger in your third eye. feel the vibration in your third eye center, and how the vibration of the third eye pulling the energy from your root chakra. Join your hands together. And be thankful for this fearful, fierce energy of the Mother Divine today. How, when the third eye is awakening, how she bring the divine energy. She is Adi Shakti. She is Kundalini Shakti. She is Shakti of love, compassion. She is the supreme power. With these beautiful feelings, bring that joy within you. Be one with the Mother Divine. Adi Shakti Namo Namo. You can chant this. Vasakti Saravasakti Saravashakti Namo Namo. Parvati Patam Parvati Patam Parvati Namo Namo. Nini Mata Shakti Namo Namo. Shakti Adi Shakti Namo Namo. Sarva Shakti Namo Namo. Parvati Pratham Parvati Namo Namo. Ini Mata Shakti Namo Namo. Shakti Adi Shakti Namo Namo. Shakti Sharava Shakti Namo Namo. Parvati Pratham Parvati. Mata Shakti. Now bring your arms like this, bring your hand like this. The blessing mode of the Mother. Now exhale Shiva, exhale Shakti. Shiva, Shakti. Just mentally chant Shiva, Shakti, Shiva, Shakti, Shiva, Shakti, Shiva, Shakti, Shiva, Shakti, Shiva, Shakti, Shiva, Shakti. Continue. Namo Namo. Shakti. Exhale. Shiva, Shakti, 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 Shiva, Now relax, go inside. Now again start, exhale, forceful exhalation. Relax. Now arms up. Shiva, Shakti, Shiva, Shakti. Relax. Now curve your spine. Open your spine. Continue. Forceful exhalation. Continue. Continue. Now completely exhale. Do 3 bandhas like this, 3 bandhas, and squeeze your anal sphincter and genital organs, and bring your attention to the third eye center and hold the breath as long as possible like this. Inhale, exhale. Bandhas. Relax. Feel energy within you. Namo Namo Uttati Adishakti Namo Namo Shakti Sarava Shakti Namo Namo Kundalini Mata Shakti Namo Namo. Sit comfortably and feel the energy that Mother has given you Feel that energy. Feel and be thankful for this energy that is within you. She is going to bring all auspiciousness to your life. She is the mother of all. Oh Mother, I am surrendering myself to your feet. Take me to this baby, to this naughty child. Oh Mother, bless me. नमोस्तुते सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते मंगलमांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते। मंगलमांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Rub your hands. Cup your eyes. Massage your face. Gently open your eyes to your palm. Hari Om. Namaste, my dear family. All of your energy is like very powerful. You all are goddesses. You all are really vibrating the whole being of you and also me and everyone else. And that is small Vishnu is there with Justi. So, and always I see him during the practice when we are doing like this, he was also like this. He was also doing like this. Yeah. That's so nice. Today the Mother Divine in her merit form who has a baby, holding the baby, feeding the baby, she is doing the homework, housework, lots of things to do. In the same time, even she has thousands of work. There is a baby always around Shailaja, and there is a baby around Laura, Puja Devi. So, and also I think Sanna has also baby moving around. So, it is said that even the mother is busy in her work. She has so many things to do at home, but she never forget her children. Even she has thousands of works outside, inside. She always is focused to care the children. That's why when you have complete faith on the Mother Divine, we don't have to worry it, because she is taking care of us at all time. Why we are worried? Why? We are worried because we do not trust, we do not believe, we do not have that faith, we do not feel her presence. But once you feel her presence, when you feel that she is there with you, she is taking care of everything of your life. Two kinds of living. One living style is that you live in your own. You have to plan your life, you have to do all the things. It doesn't mean that you don't have to plan. You have to plan your life, but in a feeling of surrender. Understand? Some people plan without surrender, and they take all the responsibilities. That's right, that's good, that's another way of living. And one more living, they do all karma, they hold all responsibility, they hold all duties, but for the sake of Mother Divine. So even you eat, even you sleep, even you walk, even you smile, even you cry, everything should be dedicated to the Mother Divine, and you find that so much blissful in your life, so much. We are always doing our karma to please others. Everything what we do to please others. Even we smile to please others. Yes or no? When we smile also to please others. Am I right, Verena? Sometimes when we meet our friends, we have a smile. When we smile, we feel that my friend will be happy to me. So, but we earn money for our families. We walk different places to obtain something. Each and every action, each and every thought, each and every decision that we make for the sake of people, for the sake of the happiness of others. So even our smile, we never smile in our own. Do you smile in your own? Sometimes when a thought comes to your mind, you smile. Like Amma is smiling because she is thinking, wow, I saw this, my child Vishnu for last few years back, and now he is grown up, and my baby is grown up, and she is doing lecture, I am listening, and Manju Mataji is here. Mataji, namaste. Manju Mataji is also thinking, oh, my baby is
Namaste, namaste.
my child is here speaking to everyone, and what he is speaking, let me see. And I was teaching him, and now he is grown up, and maybe he is naughty, still naughty like before. So Manju Mataji is thinking like this, because this is the आज का जो माँ है ना चंद्र घंटा, वो माँ का स्वरूप में आया, जैसे एक बच्चे को देखभाल करते हैं, ऐसे ही माँ का स्वरूप है आज. Today Mother Swarupa is caring for the children like a family. So each and every action, each and every thought, each and every things what we do only for the sake of others' happiness. But if once you do action, speech, thought, anything you do for the sake of the mother's happiness, my Mother Divine should be happy in my action, Mother Divine should be happy in my speech, what I speak, Mother Divine, Mother Durga will happy for me, for my life. If that's why I am doing the karma, then your life will be better, very nice. When you smile for others, what you get in return? You get another smile from the person. And I'm not telling that you don't have to do. You have to continue this. You have to do this. But there is always expectation. You know, anything you do for people, then there will be expectation from outside. If you smile to others, you have expectation that you are going to get a smile back. Am I right or wrong? If you smile to someone and the person in front of you do not smile to you, then will you be sad or not? If you smile to me, Guruji, namaste, how are you? And I say, yes, I am fine. then what do you feel? Gayatri is very smiling and say, Guruji, how are you? And say, Gayatri, I am fine. Oh, something wrong with Guruji.
Guruji, hello. If that happened, I would be worried about you.
Yeah, you're worried about me. So it is said that it shows that expectation is every time exists within our life. Expectation is every moment. You smile just because you want a smile from others. You give so that people can give you a little reward. But when our life is dedicated to the divine, then we don't expect anything from the people, but we just surrender ourselves to the divine, and anything comes, we receive like a prasada. Prasade sarva dukkhanam hanirasya pajayate, and that blessings what we receive from the Mother Divine, you feel happy with that. Whatever you receive, pain or pleasure, name or fame or bad name or good name, all fine. That is a prasada. माता जी ठीक बोल रहा हूँ? मंजू माता जी ठीक बोल रहा हूँ कि?
बिल्कुल ठीक, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
आप आ गए, मेरा दिल भर गया।
अरे आपको देख के मेरा दिल भर गया,
सच में भर गया। I feel
ऐसा लग रहा है उड़ के
I feel
उधर आ जाऊं
very
आपके
very
पास।
nice to my heart when Mataji is here. So when your teacher is in front of you, then you cannot speak. Yes or no?
नहीं नहीं नहीं, मैं कोई टीचर नहीं हूँ, मैं तो आपकी शिष्या हूँ।
माताजी, आप हमें थोड़ा आशीर्वाद दीजिए. Please bless us with your words. How you are caring for us in the ashram, and that was your role for the third. You come in the right day, third day that you did for us.
या कोशिश तो करती हूँ आने का रोज, पर वो समय का कुछ आगे पीछे हो जाता है. तो my blessing is always there. If you feel in your heart, you will feel the love and affection. And what else I can give? There is nothing I can give. But I remember and remember.
Thank you, Mataji.
Bless, yeah, you are blessed. You are blessed. Yeah, we are getting also blessed through you. The Shakti is coming through you to us. And I think we should be making our receptacle so that we can receive that Shakti. That is also important. Yeah, and you are telling us how to make our receptacle, our body, our mind and breath that can be in tuned with the cosmic energy. Shiva and Shakti, as you were saying, Shiva and Shakti. Shiva and Shakti. I really pray to the goddess and to Shiva to bless us all and to bless you. Long life, Saraswati in your Vani, and all the help to help the humanity. I pray with all my heart. Thank you.
थैंक यू माता जी, आपने तो इतना आशीर्वाद दे दिया. That was blessing you gave us. Definitely, definitely, it will happen what you said, and it should happen so that we can work more for the humanity. We are not living for ourselves. If we live for ourselves, we have to die today.
Yes.
Die today. God do not make us alive more. Uh, if we live more, then let us dedicate ourselves for the humanity and for the service of God. So, thank you. And today is a most beautiful day. My dear friends, I would like to give you already good news. I say today I gave you a bad news. Shall I give you a bad news? Bad news means it's not a bad news. Yes. Uh, Lisete is thinking what Guruji is going to tell. What Guruji is going to tell bad news? What is the bad news? She is worried. Uh, the news and very nice thinking is sad feelings. I understand this. Yes, Mataji Amma is thinking, Yasudha Amma is thinking, what's going on to my child? Vishnu, why you tell all these negative words? Because tomorrow I am going to be in silence. Because Mataji is also thinking, what's going to happen? She is worried. She was. I know this. She was very much worried about this.
Yeah, what happened?
Tomorrow I am going to be silence, so that I am not going to run the class anymore for tomorrow. But on the 10th we do the class. 10th. Is it okay for you all? So we will Guna will forward all the messages in the group to 2022 groups, Navaratri group. Please join. If you have not joined, then in the group we'll send all the messages what will be going on. I also send messages. Okay, maybe I will do some video call for you. I can speak something, and I will tell you some messages in that group. Okay. So
Vishnuji,
yes, Amma.
we will be with you tomorrow in your silence.
Oh, thank you, thank you,
So
thank you.
I, I hope it's a beautiful time for you, and I know you wouldn't do it unless you had to.
Yes,
So
actually,
we will miss you, but we will be with you. Thank
thank you,
you.
Amma. Please be with me, bless me. And do you know why we are
Yes,
going to
I
the
do.
silence practice? It will be our new ashram in the mountain. Yes.
Oh,
Oh,
So, so
oh,
that is tomorrow is the first day where I am going to stay there in that ashram. Although this ashram is not
oh.
paid,
okay.
is not ours now, is not ours because we have not bought yet. We are in the process
Mm,
of buying this property slowly, and but I am going to recharge the energy through silence. I have 5 6 people with me. They are also doing
mm.
silence. So uh, we are doing this program,
Beautiful.
and this place will be very spiritual place. In Rishikesh, everywhere that is too crowdy. Mataji, everywhere there is so crowdy,
Yeah.
and it is that is not a good place in Rishikesh where you find peace. Actually, outside peace. Even Sadagram area also very much crowdy outside.
Hmm. Send
Yes,
pictures. Upload
I will.
pictures of
I
that
I
place. Yeah.
I will send you the pictures.
Hmm.
Okay, and
Yeah.
Anita, do you have some pictures? Then please share in the group.
Yes, I do. I'll send them across.
Okay, so and
And it is a beautiful place.
yes, but that is the only place remain in Rishikesh which is completely quiet, peaceful nature. Only place remained in Rishikesh. That's the secret of what we are doing. So Verena is coming to decorate that place, help. Yes, Verena?
Absolutely.
Yes.
I'm so looking forward to
Yes.
it. Just
And
a few more days.
every one of you are invited to help us to make this project most beautiful one. Let us make such a beautiful place in Rishikesh where people can come and meditate, and they can get enlightened. So, if we can give this environment to the people, it will be a great service to the humanity. Only thing is, this time teachers are many also, but good environment also should be there with the teachers. Uh, so, a teacher also cannot teach in the crowd, it's very difficult. So, that beautiful vibration is there, and we are completely working very hard to earn money to buy this property, and all I believe to the Mother Durga. She will bring all success, and I believe on her, and she is bringing all success. And today Manju Mataji also gave us all the blessings. What we are wishing that will be fulfilled.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So
Very nice. Very nice. And congratulations.
thank you.
You can put like your for donation the number, account or whatever.
Okay, okay, Mataji, I will put in the group. Gunabhai will do this.
Or you can send me.
Okay, okay. This will be a second Sadagram in
Very nice. Teaching in
yes,
silence.
sitting in silence.
Speaking in silence.
Eating when you are in fasting.
Yeah, remember. Eat when you are fasting, speak when you are in silence.
And walk,
Yeah, that will be the
walk
motto.
when you are in stillness.
You can make that motto. Very nice.
So now we will do Aarti. Please lead the light of candles. And so 10th, please ready. On the 10th, please be ready to come. Okay, join. 10th will be a grand program. Be Gauri, Jaya Gauri, ko nisi din dhyavat. Gauri, Hey Gauri, Zoor Bajajat Ko उजल से दो नैना चंद्रवदननी को ओम जय अम्बे गौरी मान कलेवर तांबर राजे अंबर राजे पुष्पगलमाला पुष्पगलमाला संतन पर चाजे ओम जय अम्बे गौरी जय वाहन राजत पुरधाती आती रम मुनि जन सेवत रमर मुनि जन सेवत तुमके हारी जय अम्बे गौरी सुंदर शोभित न साग्रे मोती रे मोती टिक चंद्र दिवाकर टिक चंद्र दिवाकर जत ज्योति ओम जय अम्बे गौरी निशुंभ विदारे सुरघाती सुरघाती लोचन नैना चन नैना प्रमाती ओम जय अम्बे गौरी संवारे बीज हरे कैटभ दौहारे दौहारे न करे जय अम्बे गौरी रुद्राणी कमला रानी रानी तुम शिव पटरानी ओम जय अम्बे गौरी जोगिनी गावत दो करत भैरो बाजत ताल मृदंगा जत ताल मृदंगा और बाजत डमरू ओम जय अम्बे गौरी Take these blessings for all your family, for all your life, for your past, for your future, for your car, for your job, for all the problems, for your children, for your husband, wife, families, mother, father, friends, for your pet, for everything, for your home. Lots of blessings to all of you, my dears. Lots of blessings to all of you. Sending you all great energies directly from Rishikesh. So, from tomorrow onwards, you are going to receive the messages from the YouTube. In YouTube, we will post the videos and you can watch. So that please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon so that the messages will come to you directly. Kundalini Yoga Ashram. This is the YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, my dears. वे जी की आरती जो कोई नर गावे नर ध्यावे शिवानंद स्वामी शिवानंद स्वामी संपत्ति पावे जय अम्बे गौरी अम्बे गौरी दिन ध्यावत को निसी दिन ध्यावत Jai Ambe Gauri